Hi, my peeps. What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. Yes. Please remember to leave me just one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And if you want me to do a juice or a baking thing or a cooking thing, or you want me to go and do a little vlog, let me know in the comment section. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna make some spinach, apple, honeydew melon, a little bit of ginger, and banana. Healthy breakfast smoothie. Well, you can drink it any time of the day, all right? And I'm gonna use some vanilla organic soy. You can use almond. I have both. You can even use coconut milk. I have coconut milk, I have soy, I have almond. You can do whatever you want, or you can just use some honey. Okay, let's get blending. All right, I'm gonna put some spinach. I don't know if you can hold all. Let's do half first. I want to put all my banana. Maybe I have to blend 2 times, but let's see how much you can hold. We don't have to put all of it, all right? So we're gonna put a little bit of melon, some apples. Oh, I have kiwi too. All right, guys, some kiwi, and I put all my ginger. I think that will do, right? Oops, now we're full. And I'm gonna put about a cup of milk. Okay, there. Let me cover this, and we're just gonna blend away. Okay. All right, let's serve up some. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Super healthy. Let's pour some in. Oh yeah, and it holds 500. And I got these cute lid from Amazon. I will leave a link. So I threw away the metal ones because they easily get rust, and these are super good. You can take to work. It flips open and close. All right. And I got these mason jar from the Dollar Tree. All right. And that's it for you. Really delicious breakfast smoothie. Yes, lots of goodness in it, guys. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. So if you're on the go and you don't feel like eat any food, just blend up some smoothie. Lots more healthy recipe coming your way. All right, my peeps, you have a good day, guys. Bye. More recipe coming.